In this quick guide, you'll learn how to fix a connection error on Steam. If you're an avid gamer, you know how frustrating it can be when you encounter a connection error just as you're ready to dive into your favorite game. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some simple steps that should get you back online in no time. First, let's start by opening up the Steam app on your computer. Make sure that it's not already running in the background and that you're opening it fresh. This is important because sometimes a simple restart can solve a multitude of issues. Once you have Steam open, the next thing you want to do is click on the Steam logo located in the top left corner of the app. From here, you'll see an option to exit. Go ahead and click that. Doing this ensures that the app closes completely rather than just minimizing to the system tray, which can sometimes leave processes running that might be causing the connection problem. Now, with Steam fully closed, navigate to where the Steam app is installed on your computer. You're going to right-click on it. This step is crucial because we're going to run Steam with elevated permissions. So after right-clicking on the Steam app, select the option that says Run as Administrator. Running it as an administrator can sometimes bypass certain restrictions or permissions that might be causing the connection error. Once Steam has launched with these elevated permissions, again, click on the Steam logo at the top left. This time, you're going to choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens up a new window with various options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu, and from there, you're going to click on Downloads. This section manages all the settings related to how your games and updates are downloaded, and it's where we need to go next. Inside the Downloads section, you'll find a button that says Clear Cache. You'll want to click on this. Clearing the download cache can help resolve issues where Steam fails to download or update games, and it's a good step to take when troubleshooting connection errors. Once you click Clear Cache, a confirmation box will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Simply click Confirm to finalize this action. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've effectively cleared out potential culprits that could have been causing your connection issues on Steam. Go ahead and try connecting again to see if the problem is resolved. If it is, fantastic. You're ready to get back into your gaming session. If not, you might want to check other common issues like your internet connection or check if Steam is down for maintenance. Remember, troubleshooting can require multiple steps, but starting with these can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. Thanks for watching this quick guide, and happy gaming.